Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. When you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. Next, we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up, push in our chairs. And this time, we'll begin walking on the spot. Stop. Walking on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Turn left again. Turn left. And left. Hello. Okay, let's jog on the spot. Stop. Jog on the stop. Just up. Here we go. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Turn right. Turn right again. Turn right. And right. Hello. Jogging on the spot. And this time, quickly, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently? What's that? 2D shapes. Excellent. So I'll write that on the board. 2D. What does D stand for in 2D? Dimensional. Yes, dimension is the same as characteristic. Height and length. That's how we look at these shapes. So they are 2-dimensional. And how do we spell shapes, guys? S-H-A-P-E-S. So all together, 2D shapes. And in the last lesson, we were looking at shapes that had 6 sides. Not 1, circle and oval. Not 2. Not 3, like a triangle. Not 4, like a quadrilateral. Not 5, like a pentagon. But 6, like a hexagon. Well done, hexagon. So let's spell hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. And we know hexagons because they have to have 6 of everything. 6 sides, 6 corners, and 6 angles. So let's see. Let's see if I can draw a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that a hexagon? Yes. And we know it's a hexagon because we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. And if it's got 6 sides, it must have 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. That's what we call an irregular hexagon. The regular hexagon will look something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. So we know that these are perfect hexagons. So well remembered, guys. That was excellent. And who can guess in this lesson how many sides we're going to look at in our shape? 7. Well guessed. Does anybody know what the shapes are called that have 7? Sounds similar to hexagon. We just change a couple of letters. Heptagons, yes. We go from hexagon with 6 to heptagons. H, E, P, T, A, G, O, N. Heptagon. And how many sides will a heptagon have? 7, yes. Hep means 7. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a video and a PowerPoint presentation so that we can better understand and learn more about heptagons. So let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen, guys. Is we're going to look at the PowerPoint presentation about heptagons. And how many sides does a heptagon have? 7. Hepta is 7. Heptagons have 7 straight sides. Heptagons can be different shapes and sizes. Like, look at these 3 shapes here. Do they look the same? No, they're different. But they are all heptagons. Because if we count the sides, angles, and corners, they all have 7. So 7 means heptagon. Heptagons have 7 angles and corners. You notice how I've been saying they're the same thing because they're at the same point. Corner and angle is the same place. So if you have 7 corners, you must have 7 angles. But there are many different types of heptagons. There are many different types of heptagons. Toys. Yes, you can get some toys that are the shapes of heptagons. Signs. Yes, signs come in all shapes. We've seen every lesson that there's been a sign for a shape. Furniture. Yes. Would this be comfy to sit on, do you think? To watch TV? People use these sometimes to sit on. If they don't want to sit on a sofa or a chair, they can use these to relax on and watch television, called a buffet. You think of any other examples of heptagons? Okay, guys. Any questions? Well done. That was well spoken. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and PowerPoint presentation learning about polygons, which is the group of shapes that we've been learning about. Triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, heptagons, and there might be some more to come. But well done, guys. And what we're going to do now is we're going to just do a demonstration for heptagons. So heptagons, how many sides? 7. Yes, like a snake. 7. So let's see. I need to demonstrate how to draw a heptagon. So 7 sides. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a heptagon yet? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many more sides do I need for a heptagon? 2. So let's see, I can go 6, 7. Is it a heptagon now? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a true heptagon because it's got 7 sides and 7 corners. But now, let's see if I can do one more. And I want this heptagon to look a little bit crazy because it has many sides. It can look quite irregular. So let's see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this a heptagon? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Even though the 2 shapes look completely different, they are both heptagons because they all have 7 sides and 7 corners. Okay, guys? So remember, our shapes can look different, but we need to count the sides and corners to see what they really are. So well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's all stand up and push in our chairs, guys. And let's begin by rotating left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Stop. Let's have a shake. Shake it out. Shake it out. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our left first. So I go this way, you go that way, because we're opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, guys. And now we'll do 5 to our right. So I go this way, you go that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. And to finish, we will do 5 jumps straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Have a seat. And now, teachers, it's time for the flashcard part of the lesson, which, as you'll know by now, is a jigsaw activity. What we're going to do is we're going to present our students with jigsaw puzzles by presenting heptagons cut into different shapes. Our students have to work together to put the shapes together to create one big heptagon. What we'll do, because heptagons are quite large, we'll use the flashcards as a demonstration. So our 2 heptagons for the activity can look like this, guys. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 corners too. Or this is like the classic heptagon. So your 2 jigsaws, if you do it correctly, will look like this. Okay? And what we'll put our students into groups of 2 or 3. I've got 9 students. So team 1, Chu, will go with Lackout. Team 2, Pat and Preo. Team 3, Pak Bung and Net. And team 4, you 3 guys, Down, Bangpon and Nadia. So they're individual pieces. About 4 or 5 pieces will be enough. This one's for team 1, but not yet. Wait till everybody's ready. Team 2. Team 3. You're welcome. And finally, team 4. You 3 guys work together. So are you ready, guys? Team 1, ready? Team 2? Ready. Team 3? Ready. Team 4? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. So have a look at the colour of your heptagon, and then you'll see if it's yellow or purple, what it should look like. Excellent. There's one done. Excellent. Well done. Finish. Excellent. Brilliant. Okay, count the sides. Yep. 1, 2, 3. So look at this piece here. We need to find a piece that matches this. Excellent. Okay, so now, once everybody's finished, we'll pass our jigsaws to our teams on the left. So Nadia, I'll take your ones and pass them to Chu. And then we'll play it again. Team 1, are you ready? Team 2? Ready. Team 3? Ready. Team 4? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! And the important thing to remember, cut the jigsaws into different pieces, shapes each time, so that each one is different. Okay, that's a match, that's perfect. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's right. I think that's right. Yes, that will do. That looks nearly there. Ready for one more round, guys? Pass our jigsaws to our friends on the left. Thank you, Nadia. Chu. So final time, guys. Team 1, are you ready? Team 2? Ready. Team 3? Ready. Team 4? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! And you can see this is a good activity for our students to practice working together. Excellent. They're very good at working together, and they can make their heptagons. So I think this piece here, this has to go. That's correct. Well done, let go. And then maybe like this. No? Okay, excellent, guys. That was superb. Really well done. So a big round of applause. And that now brings us to the worksheet part of the lesson. So for today's worksheet activity, teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of the students in your class. And what our students need to do is use what they've learned in the PowerPoint and videos, and they can also use their own imagination to draw 3 heptagons. So how many sides must each of your shape have, guys? Heptagons, how many sides? 7. But they can be any type of shape and any size, as long as they have 7 sides. And what's the first thing we need to do? Excellent. And give our students around 12 minutes for this activity. And if they have time left over, they can colour in their shapes. So Nadia, for you. Down for you. Ned, for you. Pak Wung. Thank you. Okay, I'll collect that in a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pat, for you. Lakgao, for you. And Chu, for you. Thank you. I'll collect your shapes. So guys, name on top. And you can see we've got some examples of heptagons on the board now. Some that I have drawn and some that we've used in the jigsaw activity. But you can use your imaginations too to decide your own. If you can think of a new shape with 7 sides, you can draw it. It will be a heptagon. Like this is what we call regular heptagon, and this one irregular. But they're both heptagons, they have 7 sides. So Chu, you can write your name on top and give me 3 heptagons. Like these ones here, 7 sides. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Excellent, so that's 7. Well done. Okay, for your final one, I want a crazy heptagon. I want your 3rd heptagon to be crazy. I want you to draw a really, like I've done here, try to draw a really crazy heptagon. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just a few more than 7. Maybe if you have 2 rather than 5, that will work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent, Ned. That's perfect. Heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And that's like what we call a regular heptagon. Okay, so if you've got your 3 shapes, you can colour. Yes, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all heptagons. They all have 7 sides and 7 corners. Excellent, Lakgao. I like that one. I like the crazy ones. 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Needs one more side. Heptagon, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Nadia's got 1 side. I want to see your final 7 sides. You can do a crazy one for your final one. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heptagon, 7 sides. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to design and colour their own heptagons. And some of my students have done a really good job. Some really interesting shapes and colours too. So guys, what shape have we learnt about today? Heptagon. And how do we know if it's a heptagon? How many sides must it have?
7.
How many corners?
7.
How many angles? 7. If our shape has 7 of things, it's It's a heptagon. So well done, guys. Really good work. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it, found it interesting, and had some fun too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.